Right, just going to do a quick video for you, just an instructional on piston ring spreaders, spanners or pliers, whatever you want to call them. So I just picked up a generic set off of, well, Amazon or eBay, I can't remember now. These are 40 to 100 mil, it says on them, and the pistons I'm dealing with are 84 mil, so that's why I've got them so that they'll fit. First glance is, yeah, I thought they might be a bit flimsy, but to be honest, there's quite a lot going on when they're used. So yeah, let's show you. So what I've worked out, so I've got an old ring here I've taken off of the piston. I'm not going to use a new one in case I break it really. So looking at them, there's a series of teeth around either side, which have kind of got a little profile on them so they can sit on top of things. In the middle here, these just have a little ridge on both the insides. So you have your ring, you have the gap in the ring, you sit it with the gap either side of these two teeth. So as you open it, pressure comes onto the outside of the ring. Let me hold it probably with these sides of the jaw, and once they've met pressure, this spring mechanism in the middle of the plier allows the bottom to spread. So you see that runs down the, maybe from this side, it'd be easier from this side to show you. So put the ring back in, your side there, take a bit of pressure, and then you see once there's pressure on the sides of the ring, the bottom opens up, and that would allow you to put it down over the piston, line it up, let go, take the pressure off, and then you can just pop that into place. So yeah, that's piston ring pliers.